What is the most important key in manifestation? Today, I'm giving you the answer for that. There are a few steps you should know about manifesting, but the most important thing is the feelings that you have when you want to get your desires. Maybe you want a new car, a specific person, a lot of money, travel to Greece, a new best friend, etc. You have to learn how to make your feelings in the right direction. Because it is really important to watch yourself from the outside, that what is your initial feeling about your desire. Our enemy in manifestation is the feeling of lack. If you want something and your desire is starting from lack, you can't achieve it until you can think from abundance. You may ask, how can I feel abundance if I don't have money, I don't have a car, I don't have love in my life? You have to understand that everything can be achieved in steps in life. People can born with double aces, but if you have a 2 and a 4, you still can make a straight, and this depends only on you. Don't get envious when you see somebody with a new Porsche. You don't know their struggles. Be grateful what you have now. Of course you want more, everybody does. Maybe you don't have a lot of money now, but start to be grateful, and this is the first positive feeling where you can start manifesting your desires. So always think of your initial feeling. Is this lack? Is this a good feeling? When you understand this, the whole process will get in a new dimension. How to get feelings for your desires. You can manifest things if you have that, well, I want this thing feeling, when you have those goosebumps. And as long as you can stay in that state of feeling, the faster can your desires come to your hands. Let's see an example. Maybe you want a car, and when that car passes by, you have a smile on your face because you love that car. Nowadays, you can easily go to a test ride, and you can test your favorite car for a small amount of money. Go there and test your car. Get in, rev the engine, see yourself in it, go a few circles on the track. While you do this, you will make feelings all the way, and you will send this frequency out. Maybe you want a specific person. You can visualize your desires so you will feel the result in your home. Visualize that you are together, holding hands, walking in the sunrise. There are guided meditations where you can make those feelings easy. My personal cheat code is music. When I do my visualization, I put my favorite songs in, so I can amplify my feelings. When you enjoying your song and you imagine your desire that is yours, you can end up in tears from the good feelings that you have. Your homework is that you have to find your way to amplify your feelings like I do with music. You just need to twist in your desires on the feelings you make, and you are on the road to success. There are a lot of techniques to make yourself feel abundance. You can use visualization, affirmations, scripting, you can meditate, you can push your mood up with music. Don't worry, you will find these techniques in this channel. So, if you want something, first check yourself that where is your desire coming from? Does it come from lack? You feeling good with something, so you want it. And this is where subconscious comes into the game. In the next video, we are going to talk about the subconscious. Stay tuned.